beautiful. Wow. Appears to be very well made. It's a very premium feel. And this must be a power on and off button. Magnetic. Volume up and down. This is brightness. Type-C charging. Wow, this thing is massive. OTG port, HDMI mini, Type-C. Another USB-C port. Yeah, I like this case a lot. It snaps on just like, which reminds me of iPad. Really cool. Let's see if we have other accessories. Okay, power adapter. It's 15 amps, 15 watts. Sorry. More cables. USB-C cable. HDMI to HDMI mini cable. There you go. I am already using a portable monitor over there to pair with my mini PC. And this is my another purchase. Yeah, very, very nice. Alright, this is my MacBook Pro, 13-inch, with a Type-C, one single cable connection to its Type-C port down below here. There you go. Extended mode, left and right. Yeah, works perfectly. And this is the volume, brightness, super easy to use control. Wow.
You're hoping if you spin the chamber enough times, you're gonna catch a bullet.
Okay, I just modified the output and used the internal speaker volume here.
Biggest drug lord in Bangladesh. It's a kidnapping. Drug lord's son. Clock's running at 16 hours. Proof of life as of 6 hours ago.
That's the maximum volume. It does not go really loud, but I guess it is sufficient.
Something's wrong. The city's on lockdown. We were played. Tyler.
Just follow my money. That kid is a walking corpse. And there's no way to protect him.
You have a family.
Yeah, son. best thing you could do for that kid would be to put a bullet in his brain.
We can send a chopper and get you out. But you gotta leave the kid behind.
Let's do a little charging test. As you can see, it came with 77% of battery. And let's recharge it, see how fast it recharges. So this is my Anchor power strip. I have a power meter hooked up, which allows me to get a power output reading here. It's 11 watts. So through this port, which is a dedicated charging port from a Type-C port, power delivery, I should be saying. I should be more specific. And this on this side, the Type-C is just for signal, and it will not work. See, it does not charge. Then we have to use the one on the right. So now we are charging again. Powered off, and the indicator slowly blinks red.